So in our last hint, we left off right here, and we see we have way too many blocks. So what we want to try to do is we want to try to find patterns within our loops. So if I slide this over, look what I have going on here. And if I add a turn left there, look at my pattern. This is being repeated. So if I put a loop around those three things there, and since there's three of them, or if I put a loop around this one and repeat it 3 times, that's what that's saying there. Then I need another nested loop with that repeated 2 times. So what we have going on is this. Get rid of those 3, and grab my loop, repeat all of that 3 times. Now we need another nested loop around this, and we're repeating that 2 times because we had 2 of those over here. So I just want to walk you through the steps of how this works. So we have a nested loop here and a nested loop down here. So step 1 starts us off in here. It's going to stay in this loop. Puts us down into the loop here, moves forward 5 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. Now it's done with that loop. It goes to here, turns left, and it's going to loop back up because it has to do this loop 3 times. It's going to loop back up for a second time, which puts it into moving forward 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn left, and then it loops back around for the 3rd time. Move forward 1, move forward 2, move forward 3, move forward 4, move forward 5. Then it turns left, and it did that loop 3 times, so it's done with that loop. It's going to move down in, after that turn left, it's going to move down into my other loops. So this big loop has a nested loop with this in it, move forward 3. So it goes right down into the move forward 3. 1, 2, 3. It's done with that part. It goes down to turn left, and it loops back up to do this big loop here for a second time, which inside this loop it does the move forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then it would do the turn left.